You might want to ask, how did Orji Uzor Kalu make this money? This has been a question everyone wants to know. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's feature on a man who has left an indelible mark on Nigeria's political and business landscape. A man of vision, a man with determination and resilience, Orji Uzor Kalu. From a humble beginning to becoming a political giant and business magnate, Orji Uzor Kalu's story is one of grit and an unrelenting drive for success. Today we dive into his journey, his early life, his rise to business, his political career, and the impact he continues to have on Nigeria and beyond. So stay with us as we uncover the fascinating life of one of Nigeria's most influential figures. Orji Uzor Kalu was born on April 21st, 1960 to the family of Mr. Johnson Uzor Kalu and Mrs. Eunice Kalu. Growing up in Nigeria, young Orji demonstrated an entrepreneurial mindset from an early age. With only $35, which he borrowed from his mother, he started a palm oil trading business. He bought palm oil from the eastern region and we sold it in the north, making decent profits. This was just the beginning. Soon, his business acumen led him into furniture trading on a large scale, and with time, he expanded into different sectors, building an empire that would later become known as slug holding. Orji Uzor Kalu's educational journey took him through some of Nigeria's most prestigious institutions. He attended Christ the King School, Aba, and Government College, Umuahia. He also studied at Barewa College in Zaria, before enrolling at the University of Maiduguri to study political science. But Orji was not just another student, he was a young man with a voice. He actively participated in the famous Alimos Go protest against the Minister of Education. His activism led to his suspension from the university. While some of his fellow students took legal action against the school, Orji saw an opportunity elsewhere. He left school and focused on building his business. However, that did not mark the end of his academic pursuit. Over time, he earned a degree with Abia State University, obtained a certificate in business administration from Harvard University, and received honorary doctorates from the universities of Maiduguri and Abia State. With a keen business sense and a natural ability to spot opportunities, Orji Uzor Kalu grew his initial business ventures into Slug Holding, a massive conglomerate with interest in various industries. Slug Holding boasts companies such as Slug Furniture Company, Slug Nigeria Limited, Slug United Kingdom Limited, Slug Airlines, Sun Publishing Limited, which owns the Daily Sun and New Telegraph newspaper, First International Bank Limited, and so many others. At just 26 years old, his contributions to Nigeria's economy earned him the National Merit Award from President Ibrahim Babangida. His exceptional business leadership has also been recognized globally, with awards such as the EU Special Award in Brussels and the prestigious World Bank Leon Sutherland Award. Having conquered the business world, Orji Uzor Kalu set his sights on politics, aiming to make a significant impact on governance. He started by serving as the chairman of the Borno Water Board and later became the chairman of the Cooperative and Commerce Bank Limited. In 1999, democracy returned to Nigeria and Orji Uzor Kalu was elected as the governor of Abia State. His tenure from May 29, 1999 to May 29, 2007 was marked by ambitious developmental projects, infrastructural growth, and policies aimed at improving the state's economy. But his political journey didn't stop there. He played a key role in shaping Nigeria's political landscape, being a member of various political parties including the People's Democratic Party (PDP), the Progressive People's Alliance (PPA), where he served as the chairman of the Board of Trustees and even contested for the presidency in 2007, the All Progressive Congress (APC). He returned to active politics in 2019 when he contested in the Nigerian general elections for a seat in the Senate, representing the people of Abia North. Running under the banner of the All Progressives Congress (APC, he won a decisive victory over the incumbent senator. Orji Uzor Kalu is not just a national figure. His influence spans across continents. He has strong business ties in China, Europe, and the United Nations. In fact, he was instrumental in strengthening Nigeria's commercial relations with China's Sino-Pacific Shipbuilding Company through Slug Holding. In addition to his extensive investment, Kalu is known for his his philanthropy, he has supported various educational, health, and social programs aimed at uplifting the less privileged in society. Like many influential figures, Orji's career has not been without controversy. His business dealings and political activities have occasionally come under scrutiny, and he has faced legal battles including corruption allegations. However, through resilience and legal processes, Kalu has continued to maintain his reputation and remain a powerful force in Nigeria's political and business sectors. So, what can we learn from Orji Uzor Kalu? He's a man who embodies determination, resilience, and an unwavering belief in his ability to succeed. From trading palm oil with just $35 to building a multi-billion naira business empire and playing a crucial role in Nigeria's political landscape, his journey is nothing short of inspiring. Whether you admire him for his business acumen, his political contributions, or his philanthropic efforts, one thing is clear: Orji Uzor Kalu is a name that will remain in Nigeria's history books for generations to come.